Young Park. He's from Woori Investment Securities, and he's with me now. Young Park, thanks for coming along. Right?
You're welcome.
Well, way ahead of estimates here. Where were you with this?
Well, my number was around 3.5 trillion, and then just Samsung came in with 4.
Wrong, you should say,
yeah. I was wrong. Yeah. But this group at the company, of course, and then was just that Samsung just came in with an amazing smartphone, shipment number. I'm expecting the number should be around 27 million. I think this last quarter Samsung just took the number 1 position in smartphone market or number 2.
Okay, we don't know yet because we don't have the comparisons yet. But exactly. it is facing all these legal challenges, though. I mean, Australia, and we've possibly got France and Italy in the mix now. That's going to hurt their business, their smartphone business, isn't it?
Yeah, that is true. That is true. But Samsung was just, as you might know, was just Samsung is #1 company in terms of just patent, telecommunication related patents filed in the U.S. and Europe. Was since 1993, was Samsung just filed like 11,500 patents.
Right.
So in case of Apple, it's less than 1,000. So what I mean is that there could be better between Samsung and Apple, but I'm pretty sure the winner is going to be Samsung Electronics. And then there could be some compromise between Samsung and Apple.
I love the fact you're actually comparing them as rivals here, right? Which they are. They're bitter rivals, but because you can see all the legal dramas going on. But there's also Samsung as a supplier to Apple as well. I mean, with the chip business. Yeah,
that is right. But Samsung is such a huge company, so they are running their independent business separately. So of course, Samsung can supply #1 supplier for Samsung. For Apple, for NAND flash and DRAM and system LSI, everything for the chips.
And we've seen, of course, a huge fallback in prices for chips in the semiconductor business. And I mean, that's really something which is likely to continue, isn't it? Given, I guess, the commoditization of them.
Yeah, that kind of situation could be maintained. What I meant is that especially the demand for a conventional PC is quite slow. So nobody is buying like a conventional PC.
But they're buying tablets.
Exactly. So Samsung is moving to mobile DRAM, which goes into the tablet PCs and then smartphones. And also they are just adding capacity for NAND flash. That's then NAND flash for tablets and smartphones. So what I believe is that the situation for commodity DRAM is quite bad, but for the other products are quite good.
Let's take a look at the TV business, flat screens, etc., etc. Now, not so hot, and I guess this is down to the fact that they flooded the market last year, isn't it?
Well, it
was a big mistake, that, wasn't it?
Right, exactly.
With hindsight.
Yeah, exactly. Well, there was like a kind of really strange like demand for TV. It's kind of strange. It was just the LED TV. Basically, it's not different from just LCD TV. Was just the TV just changed the backlight unit only, but the demand was quite strange. But this year we are seeing just quite a flattish demand for TV. That's because everybody is moving on to smart devices.
Young, very quickly, 5-10 seconds. We've got the won weakening a lot recently. Does that help to boost their profits in won terms?
Well, just in 4Q, that's what I believe. Samsung can benefit from the won, depreciation. Yeah.
Thank you so much, Young Park, there from Woori Investment Securities.